Bwe bwakwa murithiria wa Miru TV ntukweku nitite na mbere boya iri Jumaine ya tariki 27 mweri wa mbere mwaka niyo 2026 kanko ateweni kirindeto cia Miru TV ugoro bitawa Tirimbabu na tukiambiri anteto cietu nawe Principal wa Kabone Technical Madam Penina Ngina na uriti baraba 3 form 4 otonya kiri school cio bundi na utiani kenda bakaiwatira kosi mwanya nonto school isiri na mutaratara ya school irani yotira barina mauritani jera bakubatara na kinya nibosiandika ngwi bobongo mwandiki wetu wa anteto Mutugi Okiambi nawe na riboti.
Ondire nayo thirikari yanjirite gwikira anene kithomo kia modularization kiri cukuru cia TVET Nthigurune mutaratara jukuinyira anene kithomo kia utea Penina Ngina Musila uria ni mwarimu munene wa cukuru ya Kabone Technical akiuga mutaratara juyu ni jukwamurita utea na umenyo bubwingi na kuthondeka twanyota ngugi kuumana na wagi bwa ngugi na ugaruku bwa teknolojia Nthigurune.
Modularization is the best thing for students. It is the best mode of training to our modern trainees. Why? Because it is skill-based. It's all practical. We have shifted from being in a classroom to training from a workshop where the students from morning to evening, they are gaining the skills practically. So within 3 months, you are set for the first summative exam. So, and the skill that we shall impact to you are even enough to go and start a workshop on the same.
Penina akinyiriane na obatu bwari twabararikirie form 4 gwitonyithana na cukuru cia bundi na utea ni kenda bakagwata umenyo mbere ya gwita university.
Encourage those leavers who cleared school to join TVET institutions earliest possible, because the more you are idle at home, the more you will get maybe lured into some of risky behaviors like taking drugs and all that. So parents, bring students to TVET institution. TVET is the answer to our day's economy, because we are offering skill-based training. So join to the nearest TVET, and I want to encourage those that are near Kabone to join us, and you will get skilled.
Penina kwaragia nyume ya gutariria umbani bwawe na ochamba na kugotwa kanyene gato na kirie kurubathithite bwega ja Nthigurune.
My track record starts at Mitungu, now National Polytechnic, where after joining that institution in a term's time, I was appointed to be a registrar, and the first reporting of the population was 130 trainees, and within a year we were at 1300. Then I went to Mbeere North TVC to start this college, where I started by even labeling the gate and the building so that people can know this institution is called Mbeere North. I gave myself targets to achieve. One of the targets that I meant that time is to ensure that the college is registered with TVETA, and the courses that we were to offer will also be licensed by the same body. After 2 years at Mbeere, I moved to Kabone, and I want to appreciate my bosses who saw it good that I come and be a principal at Kabone TTI.
Kiripotera Miru TV kuma gicigo bunge kia North Mbeita Mutugi wa Kiambi.